All right, so if you guys are a longtime follower of the channel, you know we have done our hands-on and first look of some of Spyra's other products, the Spyra Go and the other Spyra water blasters. Today we are back with something they dropped on Kickstarter last year that's finally in-house, and it's this baby right here, the SpyraGravity. As you can see right off the bat, this is a beast and is actually not like the rest. This is actually a water bomb launcher. It looks awesome. This is that limited edition color. It's different than their typical blue and reds color schemes, but this baby is automatic. It has a multicolor display. It's charged via USB-C. It is water resistant, and this battery is actually a lot better than on those other water guns. I do have some of those here with me to show you a comparison in size for, but let's jump right into it, talk about the specs, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I will throw up those affiliate links as soon as it drops on Amazon. Make sure to pick it up. These are significantly less priced than those other blasters. Let's jump into it. So as you can see right off of the bat, this box is massive, which is very indicative of how large this water bomb launcher really is. But taking a look at the package, again, this does come with 4 of those reusable water bombs, and it is in that special edition gray colorway. It's that limited edition from the Kickstarter campaign. If you didn't order it there, you will be getting a red or blue one, as they indicate on here and as they've been making for a long time. So the actual mag itself does hold 4 water balloons at a time. It does have a digital display. And if you've never used those water bombs in the past that they've created and launched last year, they are actually very high quality and don't tear as easy as some of the other ones do. As you can see on the bottom here, it gives you a how to get started, and they try to promote their little watering carrying bucket here. We do have one of those, but we didn't bring it with us today. You slide the reload lid forward, insert a fully filled Spyra blast, and securely close the lid again. And then you want to repeat steps 2 for each blast, so it could take a couple of seconds to fill this up. And then press the button on the off handle to unlock, pull it back until the red light appears, then push it forward, and then you shoot. And what's cool about this, if you can see here, it does give you a range of 45 degrees if you're angling it to shoot 52 feet away. So it says your gravity is now ready to fire. Hold it at an angle of approximately 45 degrees to achieve the maximum range. And then on the back, you can see this baby is no joke. So again, 4 blast mag. It tells you that it has the Spyra blasts, or what they're calling it, in the launching system. The multicolor display, USB Type-C powered, that fully charges your launcher over 2,000 high-end Spyra blasts. Strap connection, it says easy to attach strap, ensures a secure hold in every water battle. You do have a multicolor display. It says crush the competition with real-time updates on ammo supply, launcher readiness, and battery life, ensuring you're always locked, loaded, and ready to rumble. Again, 4 blast mag, reusable, waste-free, and in the box, what you can assume you're getting is the actual SpyraGravity. It does come with 4 water balloons. If you did pre-order, you did get an extra set of 4, a USB-C charging cable, the manual, and a screwdriver, because if you're familiar again with some of the other blasters, that USB-C charging cable is unfortunately under a screwed compartment to keep it watertight. Now, getting right into it, let's go ahead and open this up and tear it off over here. Let me slide this over. It says watch before use, but we're going to go ahead and just pull this open because I'm pretty sure we can operate this easily since we're familiar with their other products. And once we open this, we should be greeted right off the bat, oh yeah, with the gravity. And as you can see here, this baby is no joke. Like I said, it is massive. Let me go ahead and push this down. Whew. And there it is. So I'm going to set this down right here for a second. You can see your reading material and a USB Type-A to Type-C charger. We're just going to pluck that to the side for now. Here is a nice little mesh bag with those 4 green water balloons that come with it. Again, pretty sweet. I like them. They're very well made. They have good magnets, and that rubber is nice and strong to actually use and reuse over and over, unlike some of the competition I've seen where they're really kind of junky, honestly. So For the star of the show, let me set all this out and give you a better look at the Gravity. All right, so I had to take a step back because of how massive this is to get it in the camera for you guys. It does look really sweet. I do like this limited edition colorway. Once you press the trigger, you can see right on top here, you do have that LED indicator signaling if there's anything loaded and that battery level. Right below it is actually that charging mechanism. Like we said, it's under that USB-C port that is screwed into place. And then if you wanted to actually load them, this is the slot right here that you're gonna pull back and be able to load your arsenal. So what you're gonna do once it's loaded, you do have a trigger here. You're gonna be able to pull it back and launch them. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get those water balloons filled for you and show you how it works. All right, so all you're gonna wanna do are open up those water bombs and simply just submerge it underwater, let it seal just like that, and you're good to go. Okay, so we have our water bombs already filled up and ready to go. So the first step in the process is to make sure you have this slid all the way to the front here to enable the ability to open up the chamber here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of those water bombs here and literally just drop it right in the chamber there, close it, and lift it back up and put the next one in. So you're gonna repeat this step a couple of times until it is all filled up. So once you get all of the water bombs in that you want, you can see it's located on the LCD screen. It shows you exactly how many you have, and you want to next make sure you have this little icon here lit up red to be ready to shoot. So in order to do that, you're going to use this trigger to unlock it and pull back, and you can see right there it is red. Pull it back into place, give it a cock, and you're ready to go. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and give this baby a launch, and you can see it is using that first ball in the chamber right here. So as you can see, it works very well. Some of them did open mid-flight, but it still did disperse and work as you would anticipate. This baby is pretty cool and definitely gonna be fun for summer coming up. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below for Amazon if they get these in stock. If not, they have the other Spyra blasters as well that we've talked about and done other reviews on. This could be the hit of the summer. I'm excited. And as you can see here, the SpyraGravity is massive in size though. So when you really compare it to even just a Go, it is a fraction of the size from what you get there. And then if you compare it to their more common offering, just a regular one, you can see exactly the difference when you set it on top. It really does swallow the blaster up. Not to say it's terrible, but it is heavy. It is meant for children 8+. My daughter's 9. She even had a trouble holding it, and especially cocking it back. Doesn't seem to be too convenient for somebody young. I would definitely recommend someone in the teen age and older, even adults, using it. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about the new SpyraGravity? Is it going to be a must-have for summer? I think this adds a little fun and excitement to what you can do with your pool parties or wherever you want to just have a little water gun fight at. This is no joke, has some weight, has some fun. Let's go.